how to share Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. It's easy, just open Spotify, then let's go to this one here and let's wait for it. Just wait few seconds, and as you see here you will find share. Click on it, and here you can share it. Just select any app you want, and that's it. It's easy, and you can even find more apps here, and that's it. It's easy, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.